Think math.
Add up the three angles of any triangle, and you always get 180 degrees, sharp or flat, every single triangle with no exceptions. But why? Let's find out by literally tearing the three corners off. A triangle has three angles. Here they are, the red one, the blue one, and the yellow one. Let's see, with our own eyes, exactly what these three add up to. First, we tear the angle off each of the three corners, keeping every angle exactly the same size. We only remove the angles. Nothing else changes. Now we bring the three angles together at a single point and place them side by side with no gaps. Red, then blue, then yellow, all sharing one point. And look, the three angles line up into a perfectly straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees, so the three angles of a triangle always add up to 180. For any triangle at all, the three angles together always form a straight line. No complicated proof needed. Just gather the three angles, and there it is. A piece of math every day with Think Math.